Hello guys, welcome back to Nafa MJ channel. In this video, I want to tell you a story about Snow White. Snow White faced the envy of her evil stepmother who wanted to be the fairest one of all. However, her magic mirror kept telling her that Snow White is the fairest of them all. So the stepmother decided to put an end to her life. Snow White managed to escape the danger and found shelter in a small cottage that belonged to 7 dwarfs, who became very good friends with her. But the evil queen managed to find her there too. Disguised as an old apple seller, she fed Snow White a poisoned apple. With just one bite of the apple, Snow White fell unconscious. The dwarfs mourned her loss and put her in a glass coffin. But when the charming prince who had earlier courted Snow White saw her lying there, he got very sad. He bent down to give her a kiss. With this love's first kiss, Snow White rose with life again, and they all lived happily ever after. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell.